We want to delete every checked row, but we want to do it very quickly instead of having to go to a completed row here that is checked and saying, hey, delete this row. We want to actually just delete them all at one time. We can do this with AppScript. Go up to extensions AppScript. Once you're here, we're going to start writing a function. Variable ss equals spreadsheet app.get active sheet. Variable rows is going to equal ss.get max rows. That's every single row in the entire sheet that we're on. And we're going to create a variable checked equals ss.get range. And let's check just the third row right now. We're going to iterate this 3, but for right now, let's just check that it's correct. We want to check just one of these columns. So we want to say the D column here. So we're going to look at row 3, comma, 4, that's it. And then we're going to write is checked with parentheses. And now if checked, so this is going to be either true or false. It's checked or it's not checked. And if it's true, we're going to do something here. Else, if it's false, we're going to do something here. So we can write logger.log, nope. And up here for if it is true, we can write logger.log, yes. So let's save this and run it. The very first time we run it, we are going to have to authorize it, just have to review permissions, and we only have to do this for the very first time. And it says nope. Why is that? Because row 3, let's go check row 3, is not checked. Let's check it and run it again. Say yes. So now we know if it's checked or not. What we want to do is actually delete the row that's checked. So ss.delete row. And in this case, it's going to be 3. But we want to iterate through every single row. So we can't hard code or write 3 and then change this to 4, then change this to 5. We want to do that with a for loop. So let's create a for loop here. For I equals 1, semicolon, I is less than or equal to rows, all of the rows in the sheet, another semicolon, I plus plus. And now put that all in curly brackets. So now inside of this for loop, we're going to cut and paste everything. Let's format this document so you can see a little easier. So now this I is going to be iterating. It's going to go through here, do whatever it needs to do, then add 1 to I, so 2, and look for all of them. So we're going to change this 3 to an I and delete row to I as well. So we'll start on row 1 and go through all of the rows. Save that. Now what should happen, let's go back and look, is row 3, 5, 6, 7, and 11 should be deleted. So we'll select our function up here if we have other functions, my function if you only have one function, and click run. And let's go back and see these are being deleted. Everything except one of them. Let's see if we run it again, if it'll have that, and it deleted it that time. Steve and Kevin, let's just double check that it's just doing Steve and Kevin. Steve and Kevin are gone. There we go. So now we're deleting all of the rows that are checked, and it's just this few lines of code here. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.